welcome back to Mario Kart World. Today we're going to be heading on to our next cup, which will be none other than the Lightning Cup. I think I'll want to play as Yoshi this time. But I'm a little bit hesitant. I know I said in last episode, but after thinking, I think I'll just play Mario. So what do we have next? We have Lightning Cup with Wii Moo Meadows and 64 Chocolate Mom. Wii Toad's Factory, which has finally been remade, and Bowser's Castle. Let's hop up into these tracks. I'm excited to see Toad's Factory. Okay, better. Starting off from Moo Moo Meadows. I do like the atmosphere now. And they brought back this plane or this glider section I remember from Mario Kart 8. The Moo Moo form has been already remade in Mario Kart 8 and 8 Deluxe, so you couldn't remake Moo Moo form, but that track was already remade before. It was remade in Mario Kart DS. Also, I did check what that Battle Mode Big Donut stage was from, and apparently it was from Mario Kart 64. Graphics look a little too good for it to be old. Okay, I thought I had a huge lead. And now it's daytime. For some reason. This change. We're going to turn into a charging shop. It's okay if you steal the feather. Oh, I want to go up here and not go up here. Okay, the end is coming up right here. Oh, you're gonna transform me into a cow character that I already have? Useless. Yeah, but it's gonna be a track where you will get cow, of course. Okay, well, Moon Meadows is completed. Next race. Alright. So you want to look at the lights, not the number. So when the second light pops up, that's when you hold A. You also don't have to predict. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can go up here. Good. But you missed 3 coins. So you kind of want to make up your mind. Okay, there is a blue shot in there. So Bowser Jr. What I would love to do right now is I would love to. I wish one of those programs contained a star. Even though the mushroom. Oh, you took a shortcut? Wow. Wait, can I do this? Oh, yes. Because some places Lavitude just takes you out of bounds. It's really bad for some reason. Some shortcuts that you cannot take. Oh, be careful of the footballs when you're charging shots. I need you to move, bro. Okay, and the end is right here. Good. Way to end off the race. Just sink into the syrup. The chocolate syrup. Or I don't know if it's mud. It could be. Anyways, we're heading from we're going from Choco Mountain to Toast Factory. Alright. 3, 2, oh, what? Alright, come here, Yoshi. Yeah, they don't trick either. You didn't get by my banana though. Oh. Alright. Oh, I used it too early, so like When you see it about to go down, hey, you use it. But if it's going down, so it's different compared to Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Mario Kart 8 and 8 Deluxe. Yeah, so Mario Kart Deluxe, you want to use it when you see the belly, and when it's going down. But here, when it's about to go down, that's when you use it. Because if you use it while it's gonna go, when it's going down, it's gonna get you. It's not gonna work. So yeah, timing's different. Oh, not. I already had one, and it was like somewhere around here. Or it wasn't here. It was on that bridge. Awesome. That was mine. Food. Not today. Okay, that's totally fine. Because I'm already flying. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Yes, of course. I have skills. Get off of there. I know there's like some huge shortcut I can take, but I'm not the like #1 best person in Mario Kart. So let's just play originally. How are you supposed to do it? We are pretty far ahead of Bowser Jr. Oh no! Right at the end too? Are there any coins, more coins? Of course there's not any more coins because like the coin situation just hates me, of course. Come on Nintendo, why are you not putting like Okay, well, yeah, you put some coins, a lot of coins at the beginning, especially on those grind rails. Alright, so lightning comes from. Do we unlock anything? Bowser Jr. Awesome. Okay. Let's see. What else is there for us? Well, what's this? Oh. Yeah, so we did all 7 cups. What happens next? Oh! The special cup. Everyone's gaps and awe. A surprise. Special cup is now available. Alright, that's what we'll be doing next episode. Then we can add on to 100cc. That'll be really fun. But for right now, that will wrap it up for today's episode of Wonderful World. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next one. Bye bye.